Spread out, spread out.
We know quite all right that a good number of you have been threatened by way of phone calls and even physical assault. We are also aware that some of you have also been threatened professionally through petitions that are fake and frivolous. But one thing you need to understand is you must be persecuted when you're doing the right thing. And those of you who are doing the right thing, that have been fought from all sides, be courageous. Very soon, this whole thing will be over. Nothing lasts forever. In fact, I need the program. I want to read something. Let me have the program. The first hymn, processional hymn, he said, God is working his purpose out as years succeeds years. God is working his purpose out, and the time is drawing near. I don't know who chose it, but for a purpose. Nearer and nearer draws the time that shall surely be. You need to walk with faith. That time shall surely be. What we are praying for in this country is institutional strength and not individual strength. Institutional strength is the only thing that will bring development in this country. If I'm a businessman, I'm coming into Nigeria to invest. Why will I invest when what I'm saying today, the institutions are weak and individuals are stronger than institutions? Some of you say you're legal luminary. You know the truth. You will go on air just to pacify your paymasters, to turn the law upside down. We all know the law. When it comes to issues that has to do with the administration of governance in states, it is the state high court. It doesn't matter whether you go and join INEC police. It is a straightforward. I'm not a lawyer, but I know that one. And you stand and you say you're doing the right thing, God will judge you. Let me say it here so you understand. Judges, you are the one that we are seeing. Your position is to stand and defend us. Your position is to look at whoever and tell the person the truth. Because if you don't do it here, you have a big question to answer. The preacher said it. Every evil done in the course of administrative justice, you will pay for it dearly. Look at what we today, the up and downs in this state. When everybody knows that whatever we're getting from that end, I don't want to call their name, are but judgment. Everybody knows. But I'm not bothered about it. Like the word said here, it will come to an end. Surely. So let me thank you for your support. More will come. They will attack you in several ways. But be strong. As a government, I have never called any of you to do what is wrong. I always preach, stand on the side of truth. This state belongs to every one of us. It is not about FUBARA today. If this institution is destroyed, when another person comes in tomorrow, it's the same thing that will happen. We need to stand and defend it. And you are the right people to do it. I'm here today to assure you that even if I have my last breath, I will defend the justice in this state. I know the journey has not been easy because of all the troubles, because of the good works we are doing. The enemy is overshadowing it with bad news. But very soon, we're going to go into areas, programs, to showcase what we've been doing, not just for the judiciary, other aspects of governance in our dear state. I want to thank you and assure you that I'll continue to support you. And my prayers as you start your new legal year, God will be with you. God will support you. The leadership of my Lord, the Honorable Chief Judge, Siminalayi Fubara, you will record successes. Not just one, successes. For this administration, you will record successes for your own period of leadership in the judiciary. We'll give you all the support. We won't call you to do anything that is wrong. If I do, disgrace me publicly. Likewise, if they call you, be bold enough to tell the world that they have called me, I will not do it. The good people of River State, I appreciate your support. Sometime, about this time last year, the story was different. But today, we are smiling because we have what, even if you put all of them together, they don't have, we have God. And when God is in your business, no matter the level of gang up, there is no way you can be defeated. And it is that God that will put our trust on, and He will lead us to the end and even further. In Jesus' name.
Let us worship God. Offer Him praise and thanksgiving to hear and receive His holy word